Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Medhasvi Commerce Classes. Hope so you people have done your business studies exam very well. The paper was so simple and so easy. So we'll have a quick through with your business studies 1 mark questions. I'll just tell you the answers of your business studies, whatever the exam you have written today. Okay. So now we'll directly move on to this. Choose the correct answer. Social objective of management is, what is the social objective? Social objective is providing employment opportunities. Internal source of recruitment is, internal source is transfer. Motivation theory which classifies the needs in hierarchical order is developed by Abraham Maslow. And then first step in controlling process is, what is the first step? Setting performance standards. Which of the following is a current asset? Current asset is nothing but the asset which you can use it for a period of less than 1 year. That is cash in hand. Next, a dash is a broad and general guideline for decision making and behavior. Managerial principle. Dash is a statement of expected results expressed in numerical terms. Budget. See, all these questions we have already discussed. The downward transfer of authority from a superior to a subordinate is delegation. An element of communication process is sender. Dash is an unpaid form of communication. Publicity. See, advertisement is a paid form. You are going to pay it. Publicity, unpaid form. Match the following. Demonetization. It is a tax administration measure. Planning premises. Planning premises, assumptions about the future. Divisional structure, product specialization. Staffing, putting people to the jobs. Transportation, component of physical distribution. Next. Name any one dimension of management. Management of work, management of people, management of operation. Any one you can write. Okay. Who is called as the father of general management? Henry Fayol. What is capital structure? Mix between the owner fund and borrowed fund. Owner fund and borrowed fund. One philosophy of marketing management. That is product concept, production concept, marketing concept, societal concept. You can write any one. What is the monetary limit of claim in district consumer dispute? District. See, it is district. So it is less than 1 crore. Less than 1 crore. Or you can write it as not exceeds 1 crore. Not exceeds 1 crore. Okay. 2 marks. Features, direct question you would have written. Scalar chain, you all know it. Increasing the quantity of the goods sold by 10% in this year. Type of plan, it is objective. Wearing ID card, rule. Organizing, direct question. Orientation, direct question. 2 styles of leadership. Autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire. Autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire. 2 importance of controlling, 2 factors affecting the capital budgeting, direct question. Durable products. Durable is nothing but the products which you can use it for a longer period of time. You can write anything, furniture, vehicles, cars, bicycles, jewelry, anything you can write. 2 reliefs available to the consumers under the Consumer Protection Act. So you can ask for a refund, or you can ask for change that whatever the problems you have asked. So all those things. And then 4 mark questions. Principles of scientific management, I think you people have attended. Importance of business environment, I told you, 2 questions they will ask you in the business environment. They have asked 2. One is banks have reduced the interest rate. Economic environment. Economic environment. Advertisements, yesterday itself we have discussed with this. Legal environment. Features of planning, methods of off the job, limitations of controlling. XYZ company is planning to acquire land, building and machinery. Which type of capital is required? That is fixed capital. Yesterday itself we have discussed. Fixed capital. As a marketing manager, state any 4 characteristics you would keep in mind while choosing a good brand name. Characteristics of good brand name. Differences between advertising and personal selling. 4 rights of consumers. And all the 8 mark questions were direct questions. Management is a series of continuous interrelated functions. You have to explain the different functions of management. Advantages and limitations of formal organization. Selection process they have asked you. Principles, price determination. Paper was so easy. I hope you people have done your business studies very well. So stay tuned to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and also tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. I'll give you a detailed information about the accountancy, what you are supposed to prepare for your accountancy exam. Okay. Until that, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you. Bye.